You guys want me to read you a story? Okay. I will. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Tonka, look. Look at that. I love you as big as the world, Monroe. I love you as big as the world. Oh, so sweet. I love you as deep as the sea. And I love you with all the fishies in the sea. I love you as bright as the sun. Oh, look at those bears. Tonka, come over here. Hey, get over here. Hey, Tonka. Tonka. I love you, and I know you love me. I do. I love you as blue as the sky and as blue as Monroe's eyes. I love you as long as the days. I love you as high as the mountaintops. I love you in so many ways. I love you as strong as the wind in the craziest hurricane tornado you've ever seen. Hey. Hey. Am I putting you to sleep? I'm putting them to sleep. I love you as soft as the dew. He's going to start snoring in a minute. I love you as far as a star. I love you because you are who you are. Oh, they're sleeping. I love them. And I love you too. I hope you're super duper blessed today. I think we're going to take a nap now. They're so cute. I can just look at them all day.